It has 3 knobs because it has 3 individual burners inside, allowing you to go up to 60,000 BTUs. All right, today we're going to show you the Power Cirque by Sunstone. This is a unique product to the market. It's new for us for 2020. It is a very versatile grill unit that allows you to do things that really you couldn't do, especially with just a single unit in the past. So this is our unit. It has 3 knobs because it has 3 individual burners inside, allowing you to go up to 60,000 BTUs. First of all, it comes with the lid. It's perforated all the way around the edge to allow the proper amount of oxygen in and heat out to keep your even cooking. We also have a vent on the back that's going to allow you to control temperatures and smoke as well. We have a large temperature gauge on the front to keep you in control of your cooking. So on top, we have a completely flush grate system. So you could actually, if you wanted to, you could actually grill directly on here. If you wanted to sear steaks or chicken, vegetables, things like that, you can do that. We have a 3-ring grate system that allows you to do other things as well. You can remove the center grate and you can put a wok system in the hole. You can remove the second ring and you can put in a pizza stone. You can use this to either do that or a cast iron griddle situation, and you can sear or bake cookies, breads, pizzas, what have you. The pizzas and the cookies, all that kind of stuff, when you put back on the lid, comes an oven. The burner system is a solid 304 stainless steel burner system with 3 rings with 3 different starters, so you can go anywhere down from say 3,000 to 4,000 BTUs all the way up to 60,000 BTUs, where you can do larger things. You want to boil a turkey, you want to do a small crawfish boil or crab boil, you can do that with this system. This system also allows you to do multiple things based on positions. So at Sunstone, of course, we have our cabinetry. This cabinet is designed to have the system in a lower position, so when you're using taller pots, you can easily pull those on and off safely. Also, we have an add-on you can put on here. It's a pot filler that you can use to fill up your pots on here for your convenience. Also on our units, which makes it different from anything else on the market, if you remove this last grate system, you'll see our entire bottom system of our Power Cirque is ceramics. It's refractory ceramics, which reflects and keeps all the heat targeted to the center, which goes up and effectively heat your pots up a lot quicker. This is the Power Q system with the griddle or teppanyaki system on top. It comes with a heavy-duty cast iron coated non-stick top and a grease tray underneath. So you can do griddle or teppanyaki, you can do steaks or vegetables, chicken, and a stir fry. In addition to when you're using the grease will go into the grease tray. The grease tray will then go down into our grease collection tray, into the bottom for easy, quick cleanup. The units also come with the same lighting system that matches our Ruby grills as well as our hybrid grills and our Versa burners. Underneath it's going to have a lit up LED orange light. Also another option we have is a flexible LED light that you can attach that'll help you in your evening cooking. So being a Texas-based company, size matters. This is one of the largest side burners or power burners you're going to find on the market. It is a square base for ease in install, but it is circular with our surfaces and our burners because your pots are circular, and that gives you a much more effective and efficient burning. So at Sunstone Metal Products, like all of our other products, all of our base cabinets as well as our structures are all made out of 304 stainless steel to give you the best rust resistance on the market.